Welcome everyone. Welcome to this complete solution of pre-calculus session. This session's topic is problems 31 to 40, chapter 1.2. So first we'll look at the questions now. So the questions from 31 to 40, plot each point, then plot the point that is symmetric with respect to the x-axis, B to the y-axis, and C with respect to the origin. So a point is given in these problems and we need to plot another 3 point which is symmetric with respect to x-axis, y-axis, and origin in the three categories A, B, C. So, okay, let's do problem number 33. So the point is 4 minus 2. There's 33, chapter 1.2. So given point is 4 minus 2, I guess. And yeah, let's say 4 minus 2, and you need to plot the point symmetric with respect to the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, let's go for it. So you're drawing the xy plane. And okay, let's part A, symmetry. The point will draw actually the point symmetry with respect to the x-axis. So yeah, so you can see the question again, symmetry with respect to the x-axis. Okay. Mhm. With respect to the x-axis and drawing right. 4 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's 1, 2, 1, 2. So 4 minus 2. Actually, the point is 4 units to the right from the origin, and then 2 units down, or 2 units down first, and then 4 units to the right of the origin. So this is our given point 4 minus 2. And the point symmetric with respect to the x-axis will be, so symmetric with the x-axis, if any point xy in the plane, then if it is symmetric with respect to the x-axis, then this implies there will be another point x minus y. So if you use this rule, so we will have the point 4, 2. So the symmetric with respect to the point is, so here is our point is 4 minus 2. So the symmetric with respect to x-axis will have a point just 4 minus 2 times minus is 4, 2. So what is this new coordinate is here. So along x-axis 4 units and along y-axis 2 units. So first 2 units up and the 4 units to the right. So this is our point 4, 2. This is actually symmetric. Write this way, symmetric with respect to the x-axis. Okay. In a similar manner, we can now discuss symmetric with respect to the y-axis here. So symmetric with respect to y-axis. Part B. symmetric with respect to the y-axis. And the rule is if any point is on the graph, xy is in the graph, and if it is symmetric with respect to y-axis, then it must have the point minus x and y. So in our case, our point is actually given here. We have 4 minus 2. So if it is symmetric with respect to this case, then it will be minus 4 and minus 2. Now we'll draw the graph. So there's a separate question and we need to answer this separately. So 4 minus 2, leveling x-axis, y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 is this point. You can easily locate. So 4 minus 2, and symmetric with respect to this point will be minus 4. So along x-axis minus 4 and down 2 units. So we have the point. So this means these 2 points at the same distance from the y-axis. So this is the point we got here, symmetric with respect to desired point. So this is the desired point in this case. Desired point, we can label like this. Okay. So go to the next one, symmetric with respect to the origin. We'll talk about here, symmetric with respect to the origin. Part C, symmetric with respect to the origin. And the rule is here, if any point on the graph, xy is on the graph, then if it is symmetric with respect to the origin, so there will be minus x and minus y point also be on the graph. So in our situation, the point is given 4 minus 2. So the origin then multiplied minus 4 and 1 minus 2 is 2. So this is the required point. Now we'll draw these 2 points. This is 4 minus 2, first from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and we have the point 4, comma, minus 2. And you can put some dot if you like. And then minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. So along 4 x-axis to the left minus 4 units and 2 units up. So we have our desired point minus 4, comma 2. So this is the desired point. So little more discussion. So in this case, you can see it is symmetric with respect to origin. This is actually, it has the same distance from the origins are equal in this case. Okay. So we can see this is our observation. If it is symmetric with respect to the y-axis, that means it has the same distance from the y-axis, the point has, and if it is symmetric with respect to the x-axis, this means it has the same equal distance from the x-axis. So that's it. This is the solution. So the point was given, and we actually draw another point which are symmetric with the x-axis. Then we plot symmetric with respect to the y-axis, and we also plot the point symmetric with respect to the origin. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, Facebook channel, and comment on this video, and feel free to ask for any other problem solution on this chapter. Thank you for this session now. Take care.